And I have taken out all that was in the DIY jewelry making kit sent by beebeecraft.com. But before we start, welcome back to my channel AnkanaaK by Kaushiki. My name is Kaushiki and I make videos on various techniques of painting, art supply reviews, unboxing, crafting projects, etc. And in this video, I'll be showing how to make a DIY earring, a pair of earring with the supplies sent to me by beebeecrafts.com. And we'll share some easy tips to keep in mind when you work with something that needs to be identical. Before we get started, it is very important to keep in mind the desired design that you want to create. In case of earrings, as you have to make a pair, so you are making two identical products. So it is very important you separate the parts into two pairs. Now I have divided the button into two sets. Then we'll start with the process. Okay, now I'll take a head pin and start putting the buttons one by one into it. Here I am using the color gradient as I'm going from the darker towards the light. I started with purple, followed by dark blue, then turquoise blue, then I think red won't look that great. Instead, I'll add some pink onto it, then white. This looks pretty decent, isn't it? I have done an unboxing video of these products. You can click it onto the link above or check my description box to watch the products that I received from Beebeecraft. And to secure the buttons, as I want the buttons to stick together, I am adding another head pin. Oh, that's easy. I just gently passed it through the second hole of the button and it just glides in. No much effort. Now I will make a loop at the end of the pin. Let me trim the pin, then I'll create the loop. Repeating it with the other pair. I'm not very neat with the loops, but it's okay. Does the job. I think I need to practice often to get a neat loop. I am hopeful. One day I'll have an amazing round loop. At the bottom, to give a cute finish, I will add a blue bead, and I'm using a small jump ring to connect the blue bead with the body of the earring. The last part of the earring will be the addition of the ear hook. For this, again, I'll add a jump ring and will fix the ear hook onto the jump ring. And ta-da! The earring is ready. Isn't it easy and really cool? As the Beebeecraft box, the DIY kit has all the parts in it. I just had to assemble and make my own earring. It was really easy and fun doing. I totally enjoyed doing this, and it hardly took some time. So don't worry if you are not a professional. You can start anyways at any time and make your own jewelry with your hands, and you can flaunt it anytime. Well, thank you so much, friends, for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more creative artwork, tutorials, unboxing and reviews. I would really appreciate it if you share it with your friends, and please share your feedback in the comment box and suggest me for more DIYs and paintings that you want me to create. Till my next video, stay safe, take care, be creative. Bye bye.